Hello, I am Trevor with Sugar Bee Bling, and I'm here to talk to you about money. We had a few people ask us some questions regarding how to track and account for their paparazzi money. This is both money coming in and money going out. So I'm going to give you a few heads ups. As a disclaimer, I am not a CPA, I'm not a lawyer, I'm not a tax guy. I'm just somebody who's helping run our family business, and these are the things that I do, so these are my opinions. So take them for what they're worth. All right. First off, it is extremely important to treat your paparazzi business like a business. Keep it separate from your personal finances. You shouldn't be buying out of the same account inventory or paparazzi expenses from the same account that you use to buy groceries and things for your family. All right? Keep them separate. This is very important, especially come tax time. You're going to need to have your records and your expenses and your money that you made ready for your tax person or for yourself when you go to report your taxes. All right, so that is the first actionable takeaway that you need to commit to do, is to keep your money from your paparazzi business separate from your personal account. Now, how do you do that? First off, you're going to need a way to collect money for payments that people want to use with a credit card or online or through Facebook sales. I would recommend PayPal, Square, something similar to that. We personally use and like PayPal. So I'm going to reference PayPal, but you can just substitute Square or whatever when you come to apply this advice to yourself. So what you're going to do is set up a separate PayPal account. Don't use the same PayPal account that you've had for years, that you've got your online purchases through and all your personal expenses through. Set up a separate PayPal account. To do this, all you need is a second email address. You can get a free one from Gmail or similar. Go into PayPal, set up a second PayPal account, and you can set the PayPal type to business when you do that. All right, that's going to allow you to receive payments and to make purchases through PayPal through that second account. All right, that should only take you 10 minutes. All right, that is actionable takeaway number 2 from this video, is to get your second PayPal or equivalent account set up specifically for your paparazzi business. All right, when you have a PayPal account, you need to link that PayPal account to a checking account. You want that to be a second checking account, all right? So what you're gonna do is go to the bank that you normally use for your personal checking account. Tell them that you want to set up a second free checking account, all right? It's going to be under your name and your social. It's just going to be a second checking account, just like if you had your savings accounts and your other accounts with that bank. Or you can go online and set up a second free checking account through your bank's website, right? That is super easy. It's not going to take you very much time, but that'll allow you to link your Venmo payments, your PayPal payments, all to that second checking account. Super easy. Second actionable takeaway is to go online or go into your branch and set up a second free checking account exclusively for your business. The good thing is when you have that second checking account set up, you can then pay yourself by transferring money from that account to your personal account online or by going into the bank. It's super easy. All right. The third thing you need to do is track expenses. So if you're new to paparazzi, you're going to have a lot of expenses associated with it. You're going to be buying inventory, you're going to be mailing things, you're going to be buying mailers, you're going to be buying lights or whatever it is that you're buying for your business. You want to track those expenses. Track them by day, have them recorded so that you know how much you're spending on your business. And then track the money that you have coming in. Every time you have a sale, every time you have a Facebook Live or you send out a basket party, by date, track how much money that you brought into the business. So money in minus your expenses is going to be your profit. All right? So to track your money, there's a couple ways you can do it. You can go old school and just have a notebook. It's perfectly fine. Just remember, as you write things in a notebook, write down the date, the item that you bought and who you bought it from, or where the money came from and who it came in from, and then write the amount. I would recommend keeping expenses and revenue or money in on 2 different pages or 2 different columns in your paper notebook. Or you can go and use a Google spreadsheet or an Excel spreadsheet. We have a free one that we set up for people to use. If you want, you can go to our website and download that or download a copy of it. It's a Google Sheet, and it just has a tab for each month with business expenses, business revenue, and then it shows your monthly profit, and then it has another tab that adds it all up for the year. You're welcome to use that. It's free. Or the easiest and best option that I recommend is to use some online accounting software. The reason I like using an accounting system online is you can sync that to your bank account, you can sync that to your PayPal account or your Square account, and those transactions will pop in automatically. So every time you collect money via PayPal, it's going to pop it into your Wave accounting, and it's going to be able to split that up from the money that you made versus the fees versus the taxes and the shipping. It's great. So I would recommend using that. But either way, paper, spreadsheet, or accounting software is fine. Just make sure you're tracking things by date. Now, at the end of each month, you're going to total that up, add up all your expenses, add up all your income, and then find your net profit. And then with that net profit, you can decide, am I going to pay myself? Am I going to add the money back into the business and reinvest into inventory, whatever you're going to do. It also allows you month over month to track and see, how is my business growing? So it's important to track things daily, sum them up monthly, and then at the end of the year, sum up all the months, add them all up so you know how much you made. And then when you go to your tax guy, you're going to take that with you, or when you fill out your taxes, you're going to use that number as your business profit. All right? So simple, 3 actionable takeaways. First is to have a separate PayPal or similar account set up for your business. Only use it for business. Second actionable takeaway, have a separate checking account specifically for your business. Third actionable takeaway is start tracking your expenses daily and then adding it up weekly and monthly. All right, that's it. That's how you get started with your paparazzi money. I hope this was helpful. Look forward to seeing you on future training videos. Again, this is Trevor with Sugar Bee Bling.